Okay, so I think we are live, and okay. So today, what do we start with? Hey, inequations is done, man. Inequations we finished last time in that live session. Is there any doubt? You you were not there when we started inequations. So did you follow the lecture? No. You see today. Okay. All right. All right. So we start with quadratic equation. We'll come back to it if you have any doubts. Okay. Okay. All right. So now quadratic equations. Any idea what that is? I think you have studied in the past. Hey, come on, man. Give it a shot. At least give it a try.
It is an equation.
That is good. What kind of equation?
Quadratic.
An equation. I hope you have bought. Okay, nice try, but yeah, it is not formula book. Formula book. Okay. So an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 and a, b, c belongs to set of real numbers. Okay, so this is the definition of quadratic equation. All right. So typically they'll ask you find the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. To find the roots of a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, is to, if they ask you find the roots of the quadratic equation, so what are you supposed to find? Is to find those values of x for which LHS becomes 0. Okay. All right. I hope 0 is there in the screen, can be seen. Yeah, very good. Find the all formula book. Okay. Roots of the equation. Guys, give it a try. You understood what a quadratic equation is?
Process.
Okay. Hmm? It's okay. You understand? Is that the quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x minus 39 is equal to 0? It is. It is of the form, right? Ax square plus bx plus c. A is not equal to 0. 2 is not equal to 0 in this case. So which is good. And ABC real numbers. These are real numbers. Okay. So now to find the roots of a quadratic equation is to find out those values of x for which LHS becomes 0. Now you have to tell me what is the value of x in this example. Trial and error. Try putting different values and tell me.
5.
Sorry?
5.
Does it work? Don't give me wrong answers and make me do it. See, this is not tukkebazi. You have to try it out and tell me the right answer. You tell me 5, I know it is not 5. No, try putting 5. At least let me show you how, why 5 will not work. At least so that you try the others. See, 5 minus 39. Is that equal to 0? 5 5 are 25 into 2, 50. Minus 35 minus 39. Clearly, it is not equal to 0 because negative terms will be more than 50. So it will be something negative. So this is not going to work. Sid, you have to try sincerely. Okay, give it a shot for 5 minutes to try. Okay, you understood what to do, right? And tell me, is it easy? Is it difficult to find? Because this you cannot go for a long. This cannot go a long way. You have to have a proper method. Give these two numbers a try. Are you able to get it? This one, try these two values. The intention behind this is to show you that it may not be straightforward always. You try 1, 2, or 5, for example, you said 5. It doesn't work that way. You need to have a proper method to figure out the roots. Does this work? Don't say processing, process it. I hope there is no problem here. You can do it, right? You're getting 0 for second one also? Okay. Okay. Okay.
First one is
Correct. Second one, try it out. Anyway, I've written it. Can I rub this side? Yeah. Okay, done. I'm audible. All right. Does this work? Are you able to do it or you cannot do it? Sorry?
under
Okay. Where are you? 2 into?
Will it only be 13 square?
13 square is?
160
Okay, then?
Minus
No, no, no. There is 2 also down
by 4.
by 4. You understood, right? See, this is square is for both of them. So 13 square by 2 square. Okay, minus. What is this?
Same
Are you going to multiply 7 with 13 or with both of them?
both.
No. Only numerator gets multiplied to numerator. This is denominator. Yes? Understood, right? Ananya. See, 13 into 7. Or you will multiply 7 with 2 also. Sorry? No, only the numerator. This gets multiplied to numerator. If it was, let's say if this was 4, 4 will get multiplied with 2, 13 with numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Now 4 is not there, don't write it. Okay. So 13 sevens are 91 by 2 minus 39. Can you tell me if the answer is 0? Now 2, are you going to multiply it? Can I cancel 2 and 4?
Yes.
Can I cancel 2 and 4?
Yes.
2 ones are 2 twos are. Now can I just minus, because LCM there is no need of LCM because the denominator is 2 anyway, but for this we will have to. Just try it out with this. One 69 by 2 minus 91 by 2 minus 39. So what do I do? Don't worry, don't worry. Go. Chalo. All right. Okay. Go.
I'm scared.
Okay. She went away. Chal. What do I do? No, you just let me know here. No, see, what do I do? See, here I have denominator 2, you have denominator, here I don't have denominator 2. Sorry, by default it is 1 only. So now I need LCM if I have to combine all three, or if you take these two, anyway the LCM is not needed because denominator is the same. Okay, let's do LCM. What is it? 2, okay, and numerator will be, see here it is 1, no, multiply numerator and denominator with 2. That is what you will do. Sure.
Will be 0.
Sorry,
Will be 0.
of course it has to be, but you understood this. Sure, Ananya.
Yes.
So you just do have 2, and then 169 minus 91 minus 78 is equal to 0 by 2 is 0. Hopefully that is clear. Now this was easy because I told you the values. It's not easy to guess by trial and error. It will not work. Right? It can be difficult. So let's go ahead and try the factorization method. Okay. What is the factorization method? Can I rub this? Write it down. Sure. Done. I'll rub this small part. Okay. Okay. So now, if you have a quadratic equation, okay, tell me, would it be a quadratic? Pay attention for 5 minutes. If you have a quadratic equation, would it be a quadratic equation if a is 0?
Only
Only a is 0. See the definition of quadratic equation.
Relative.
Sorry? No, no, no. A cannot be 0. See, just read the definition.
A cannot be 0.
A cannot be 0. If a is 0, it becomes bx plus c. It is like a linear. It is no longer quadratic. Okay. Now, can b be 0? Yes, b can be 0. Can c be 0? C also can be 0. But a cannot be 0. Okay. All right. Done. So far, so good. Now, factorization method, what do we do is, we actually split b into two parts such that when you add, it will be b. And when you multiply them, it will be a into c, whatever the value is, that should be the value of the two terms into which b has been split. So let's go back to the original term. Okay, original example. Now this time we are not going to do trial and error. Tell me, what is the 2x square? What was that? The previous problem.
2x square minus 7x minus 13.
So now what should I do? What should be, which is b here? Split minus 7 such that when I add it, it should be minus 7. And when I multiply, it should be a into c, that is minus 78. Are you able to process it? You understood at least what we are supposed to do. Tell me two numbers which when added will give me minus 7 and when multiplied will give me minus 78. This into this. Minus 78 and minus 7. Tell me two numbers which when added will give me minus 7, which when multiplied will give me minus 78. Start with 1. 1 into 78.
Minus 7.
Sorry?
Minus 7.
Don't worry about the sign. Just get to this and then we'll get to this. Let's try the product. 1 into 78. 78 is fine, but adding or subtracting 7 I'll not get. 1 and 78 are too far away. Yes? You guys are getting it or no? They are very far away. So 78 plus 1 maybe 79 or 77. I cannot get 7. If it is 2, 2 into 39, does it work? 2 into 39, 78. But 2 plus 39 or 2 minus 39 is not 7. They are very far away. Tell me which are those two numbers. Start, then you go to 3. 3, does 3 divide this? It does.
Yes.
Then what 3 into what is 78, and then whether we add. Think about it that way. Okay, not going to work. 7 is far away. 26 plus 3 or 26 minus 3 is not going to work. Try 6.
13,
Sorry,
13.
13 into 6. Okay, 13 into 78. Correct. But when I multiply them, it is plus 78. I need minus 78. So what should I do?
Minus
Minus 13. So minus 13 into 6 is minus 78. Minus 13 plus 6 is
minus 7.
minus 7, because minus 13 plus, when you do this way, bigger number ka sign, and then you can subtract if they are. Remember those things. I hope you are reading the formulas. Okay. So which means this is correct. So minus 13 plus 6 will give me. So we are in agreement now. So I am, instead of minus 7, I am going to write this. Therefore, 2x square minus 13x plus 6x minus 39 is equal to 0. Any doubt do you have in this step? Because instead of minus 7, I wrote minus 13 plus 6. Is that okay, Ananya? Did you understand? They both are same. Sorry? Middle term split. I did a split in the middle term, and instead of minus 7, I wrote minus 13x plus 6x, which is minus 7. Alright. So now, once I have split, what should I do? Let me take them, these two terms together and these two terms together, and take out common terms. Okay. So x is common, implies 2x minus 13 plus 3 2x minus 13 is equal to 0, implies 2x minus 13 is common. I hope you understood this. Is this step clear after this?
Process.
Yeah.
Process.
Process, right? You understood this, right? From year to year, you got it? All right. All right. So this is fine. Now, when you multiply two numbers, the product is 0. So what does that mean? Can you tell me any two numbers which you multiply will give you 0? Which means one has to be 0. Two non-zero terms will never give you 0. 2 into 5, 10, not 0. 5 into 5, 25, not 0. 5 into 0, 0. So which means either one of them has to be 0. Zero product rule implies 2x minus 13 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 is equal to 0, zero product rule. Okay. All right. All right. So if this is 0, implies what? 2x is equal to 13 implies x is equal to 13 by 2, or x is equal to minus 3. From there we got this. Understood, right? This is the way to solve it mathematically, not by trial and error. But sometimes even this gets difficult. See, typically a quadratic equation has maximum two roots. That's all. Minimum it can be one, maximum it can be two. I mean, it's still two, just that they both are same. That's why I'm calling it one. But yeah, all right. You guys are okay with this? Can I rub? Okay. So now, so far so good. You remember that formula in that was recursive recurring deposits, wherein we had that n square something, and that was a formula. But sometimes when the period is not given, right, n is not given, it turns into a quadratic equation. We'll see, we'll see. Okay, all right. So far so good. Let's move on to the next one. How about this, right? Okay, let's move on. Find out find the roots of the below quadratic equation. Try factorization method. So what are you supposed to do? Find out two terms whose product is 8, 4 into 2, 8, and when you add, it becomes 11. You got the point? Can you tell me two numbers which when you add will give you 8? When you add, you will get 11. Start with 1 into 8. 1 into 8 is 8, correct. This is satisfied. 1 plus 8 is not 11, or 1 minus 8 is not 11. Nowhere it is 11. Not going to work. 2. Try 2. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 plus 4 or 2 minus 4 is not 11. No. 3. 3 into something, 8, no, not, it's not integer. So leave it. 4 into 2, we tried already with 2 and 4. So in a way, it is not working. You understood, right? Sorry. So what do we do? How do you make it work always? Do you think you can tell me, or should we move on? See, first we did trial and error method, which may not work always. Then we said factorization method. We tried one problem, but this may, we may not get the answer because the values are not integers. If it is integer, we will definitely get, but the roots may not be integer value. X may be 13 by 2, 1.5, 7.2. That way, it's not going to work. You're able to appreciate this, right? So let's find out a formula which will work always. Okay. So So let's say it's ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Every quadratic equation we can write it like this, right? So implies, can I write, see, a, now little bit of adjustment. We'll try to convert this into a square. Just pay attention now, okay? Don't write. Can I write it like this? Ax plus b by 2 the whole square plus c is equal to 0. Will this and this be the same? Expand. Open the brackets. Will, on opening the bracket, will I get this? This square is ax square. Correct. This I got. 2 into this. Will I get? You're getting what I'm saying? Will I get this? See, if I open the bracket here, I'll write it here, okay? If I open the bracket, it will be ax square plus, or rather, let me write it down the proper way. Root ax the whole square plus 2 this term into this term. You're getting it? A plus b formula, a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that formula it is. Plus b by 2 the whole square. This is what I am getting. So this is nothing but ax square plus root ax b, this is gone, plus b by 4, b square by 4. Okay. When I open this, now plus c also is there. Correct. Now these two terms, instead of this and this are not the same, in case you have not noticed. So what should we do? See, this term, got it. C is there. But I got this instead of bx. When I open, I am getting this a little bit. I'm getting some more terms. Bx is not there, but I'm getting this. So what do I do? I'll do one thing. See, this square root of ax is extra. Square root of a is extra here. If this was not there, I would have got bx, right? You understand? So maybe what I should do is, instead of this, I should write a here. I'm just telling you how these things work.
It's so complicated.
It is not complicated. Just hold on. Right. See, I can give you the formula straight away, but you will never be able to navigate this journey by yourself. Think about it. Okay, let's say I'll do it. It's trial and error. Remember that calorimeter adjustment. You, a little bit of adjustment you'll have to do, but you have to navigate the path on your own. I can carry you only till the distance beyond which you have to walk yourself. Okay. All right. So now this is the thing. Let's expand. Can you tell me the expansion of this?
ax
No, tell me the formula. I mean, tell me the step. Square root of ax the whole square plus
b by 2 root
b by 2 root a
whole
whole square
plus
plus
c.
2 into this. Remember the formula, a plus b the whole 2 root a x, first term, this one, okay, into plus c. Is this clear? Right? So this becomes, what does this become?
ax square
Ax square plus square it, no?
b square
B square
by 2 square.
2 square is what?
4.
4a. Plus, what happens here? Can I cancel 2 and 2?
Yes.
I can, no? Can I cancel this? So this becomes bx plus c, correct, no? So I got bx, I got ax square. So these two are done. But what I am seeing is, I am getting this extra. Okay. So if I can minus this here, minus, I am done. I opened this bracket, so I got this. Okay. Plus c and minus b square by 4a minus b square by 4a. This gone. So I get what I started with. You're getting it? You understood why I am subtracting? Because I don't want the meaning to change. When I open this, it should be same as this. How will you know what to subtract? I just walked you through it. With practice, you will know. Okay. And for you, it should be rigorous practice. It cannot be ordinary practice. Okay. All right. So you understood this. Can I rub this? So now we will take it forward. So what do you suggest we do? Right. So let's take this there. So now this is, don't write, just wait for me to finish, is equal to, can I take both of them there? It becomes b square by 4a minus c square. Is it right? Take them to the other side, transpose. Implies square root of ax plus b is it right? You understood LCM? So it becomes this. Any doubt here? No, right? Okay. Now this is square. Now if it is, if k square is equal to 25, k is equal to, example,
Right.
plus or minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 5, 25. 5 into 5, 25. Same thing here. This square is equal to this. Implies plus minus. Okay. Is it okay? Now we'll take this there, that side. Implies, what will be the sign once I take it there? No, you under this, till this step it is clear. Is this step clear? Why? Square is this. Oh, sorry, 1 second. Is this correct? Yeah, I think this is correct. See, k square is 25. So k is equal to plus or minus 25 of square root of 25.
Okay.
Understood, right? Because when I square this side, there are, I mean, if I square this side, minus or plus, whatever it is, doesn't matter. It will just become plus, and square root sign will go, it will become square. And here, from here, you can go to this step. From here, you can come to this step. So it is correct. So I don't want this to on this side, so I take it to that side. Transpose. So what will it be? Can I say minus? Is that right? I just took that guy out to the other side, this guy. Ananya, you're with me? Some difficulty in understanding? You just understand the basics, whether this you understand. Till what point have you written? Yeah, yeah. You start writing because I have to rub, go to the other side. See, this derivation may not be there, but you should know. Okay, just because it is not there in the exam doesn't mean you should not know. Yeah, people who are online, is it clear, guys? Okay. So are you done with that side? Done, right? Okay. Can I write like this? Just split this into two. Instead of this, I just wrote that. I can do it. Okay. So in can this come out like this? What do you think? See, square root of AB is equal to square root of A into square root of B. The square root of
Yes.
4A is square root of 4 into square root of A. So 4 square root of 4 is 2. 2 comes out. They both are the same now. Denominator.
You can add
I can add straight away the numerator. No need to find LCM. Okay, but now I don't need x. I don't need square root of a here. I just want x is equal to something. So what do I do?
x is equal to same thing. In the denominator, you put a root a.
To what?
You bring root a to the denominator.
Okay. Basically, I understood your thing, but let me ask Ananya. Ananya, what do you think? How should I remove this? I don't want square root of a. A very simple answer is just rub this out and just write down. That is not going to get me the same answer. There is something wrong. Can I divide it on both sides? If I divide, sorry?
Divided in the midnight.
Yeah, see, one thing is, yeah, see, the one thing is, uh, say, 2 by 5, okay, One option is, let's say I don't want 5 in the denominator. I can multiply 5 on both the sides of equal to. So it will become 10 is equal to, yeah. So what I can do is I can multiply 5 on both the sides. So 5k is equal to 10. That way it can become, wait, I think making some mistake. Uh, mm, yeah, not 10, 2. You understood, right? That way the meaning does not change. See, if I have k is equal to 2 by 5, I can multiply 5 on both the sides, and 5k is equal to 2 is correct. This and this are same. Or another approach, sometimes when you don't have this equal to, right? If you have 2 by 10, I can multiply with 5 on both the sides, I mean numerator, denominator. So it is 10 by 50, does not change the meaning. It is still the same. Similarly, I don't want this. So I'm going to divide by square root of a on both the sides. It is divided. Understood, no? So this gone, this gone. So x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2 square root of a into square root of a.
A.
A. You understand that? That is the formula. That's it. You don't have to do any factorization. This is the final formula. I derived it. Maybe it's a little lengthy, but you should know how to do it. May not be there in the exam though. Okay, guys, continue. Then we'll use this here and get the answer. Okay.
This is the final formula.
This is the final formula. Writing it every day will help you remember it. Don't worry.
So no need to write this in the exam.
This is the derivation. If they ask you for derivation, you have to derive it. Not needed. Nobody, I think in ICSE, they don't ask how to derive. You just substitute. That's it. And that is what we'll do with this equation. Okay, quadratic. So where are you? You finish this side? You finish this side, Sid? Okay. So we conclude here, but now use that formula to solve this problem. Okay. Let me know if you don't get it. What is the value of x? You have to tell. Can I rub? You did you solve this? Substitute the value of B and A and C and tell me the answer. That is the value of X. What is the answer? Ananya, what is the answer? Okay.
Um, 89.
89.
I gave till here, now I'm not.
Yeah, I think that's fine. So yeah. So two values of X is minus 11 plus square root of 89 by 4 or minus 11 minus square root of 89 by 4, two values. Now that is not easy for you to do using factorization method. You understood?
Did we get the answer?
This is the answer, no? There is nothing more to do further. You understood, Ananya? Yeah. So just substitute, there is nothing more. 11 square 121, 4 into 4 16 into 2 32, 121 minus 32 square root of 89. The square root of 89 will be between which two natural numbers?
900.
What do you think, Ananya? Okay, once you do, let me ask you. ठीक है ना? Just memorize this in the meantime, this formula. There is one more part after which this chapter is over, theoretically. Then you have to start the problems. If you know this, you will get everything. Sorry?
In the evening.
No, not today, we'll see. He's happy. But I'll give you some homework. You have to solve, no? You can't. Just escape that and turn in your homework whatever you have done, okay? Now he's frozen. Have you done the homework? Yes, we are wasting time here if you don't do your homework.
I did half.
That's not going to count. You have to do full. Okay, all right. I'm considering you as adults now. You should know your responsibility. Okay, because if it was first standard students, I wouldn't have asked you. Now you are in 10th, 11th, 12th, it's a different ball game altogether as you go further down. So, Nanya, you got the answer to this? Are you getting this? What will be the value of 8 square root of 89? It will be between which two integers? Yeah, just tell me roughly. Between 10 and 11, between 7 and 8, between 2 and 3. Square root of 89 will be between which two numbers? Let's say.
I told you.
No, don't tell me again, please. What is square root of 25? Good. Square root of 100? Correct. So 89 will be between which two numbers?
Nine.
Okay. 9 square is 81 and 10 square is 100. Between 9 and 10 it will be correct. No, that's all I needed. Okay, all right, so we are done here with this. Now looking at the formula, right, I'll rub this. For quadratic equations, see, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Okay, now the value of x, okay, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, what will happen? Or rather, general implies what? If this is greater than 0, then what will happen? No, no, tell me. You see, yeah, if this is greater than 0, it will be a square root of a positive number. Correct? No?
Will be greater than 0.
Correct. So minus b plus or minus, there will be two roots. Minus b plus, let's say if this is b square minus 4ac is 100, square root of 100 is 10. So answer will be minus b plus 100 by all this, minus b minus 100. Yes? Implies roots are, means roots means value of x basically, roots are unequal. And there are two roots basically. Should we write two roots? Let's see. Yes, two real roots. Okay, two real roots. Roots are, let me write the same. Roots are, okay, implies two real unequal roots. Okay, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then what will happen? If this becomes 0, minus b plus or minus 0 doesn't make any sense. Minus b plus 0 is same, minus b minus 0 is same. So you will have only still two roots but equal, two real equal roots. You guys are with me? If b square minus 4ac less than 0, what if it is less than 0? Give me an example of a number which is less than 0. Tell anything. Minus 1 is less than 0. Very good. So square root of minus 1, can you tell me the answer? Can you tell me the answer of square root of 1?
1.
Or minus 1 also. What is the square root of minus 1? There is no real, sorry? Square root of minus 1 is not minus 1.
1.
No.
0.
No real roots. Imaginary number. Not in your syllabus. 11 standard complex numbers. Okay. Implies no real roots. There are no real roots if this is less than 0. You can write it down. And with that, we finish this chapter on the theoretical or conceptual level. Okay. Can you have a pencil if you guys have? No pencil? I got it. I got it. Sure. All right. So, guys, exercise 5A, MCQs. So, Ananya, what do you think about exercise 5A, first question, MCQ? Remember the formula, remember factorization, okay? All those things, factorization method, trial error method, shortcomings. Oh, I rubbed it. Done, right? Okay, good. Huh. Can you read the first question? You need to open your book, page number 53. Sid, you are able to understand that problem? 4x square minus 9 is equal to 0. What is, sorry? Yeah. So this is of the form. Can you tell me how to solve this? See, you can use that formula and get the value of x. That is fine. But I see a pattern here.
3 by 2.
Sorry?
3 by
Wait.
plus or minus.
Can I write it this way? When I open this, it is 4x square minus 9. Now this is of the form a square minus. So implies what? A square minus b square is, so 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Implies what? Product of 2, 0 product law. What does that imply? Either this is 0 or this is 0. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So what does this, what is this? How do we solve this further? Sorry? No, just tell me how to solve this. That's all. Take the 3 to the other side, no? 2x is equal to minus 3 implies x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Tell me about this. How do you do this? Goes to the other side, plus 3, or
I told it before.
yeah, you need to solve. See, one easy way is to look. No, the normal book now. We moved away, no? This is the problem. See, you can directly substitute for looking at the options and substitute and see. That will not help you. Maybe here, but not in the long run. So B problem, Ananya, C problem, Sid. Okay. So first you solve this. Okay, I'll sit here for a while.
Yes.
Okay. Where do you want to keep this? Anisha, is everything okay? Are you able to understand? Can you see the board? I think you can. You completed the first one? Then what do you think about this? See, product of two numbers is 0. So what does that mean?
One number has to be.
Implies what? Okay, true. See, after this, I came to this. Same step should be there. Or x plus 5 is equal to 0. Implies what? No, minus 3 goes. Hmm? Hmm? Understanding. See, something here goes to the others. Are you sure? Sure? Okay. What is the answer?
Yeah. The third.
Check the answer at the back. Said, are you done with this?
Yes.
This part?
I have another way of solving.
Very good. How?
Come.
No, why don't you show us on the board? Okay.
See, this. This will come here.
Very good. I understood. Yeah. That is also right. So that is 9 by 4. X is equal to plus or minus 3 by 2. Good. You should try out different approaches. Okay. All right. Good. But don't celebrate it yet. You have a few more problems to solve. Can I rub this? So Sid, the C part. C1. Come. Show face to your fellow classmates. The C part. You do it here so that no, they also can. Anshuman is there.
Make some meme.
Don't worry, man. Nobody is going to do any meme. You want to see?
The comments.
No comments. Only one person is there. Yeah. Come from here, no?
Two people are there.
One is me. I have to see, right? The comments.
Anshuman.
Anshuman is not there. Anisha.
I'm safe.
Yeah, please come.
Thirty seconds processing.
Okay. Take your time.
I didn't understand.
See, if 4 is the root of the equation, it is saying 4 should satisfy this equation.
4 is equal to this.
X is equal to 4. When you put LHS becomes 0. That's all he is what he is saying. So do it. See, even in this case, said x is equal to 3 is the root of the equation, which means when you put x is equal to 3, this should become 0. LHS should become is equal to RHS is equal to 0. So 3 you put, no, it happens. So solve. X square plus kx minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. And 4 is the root of the equation.
So x will be 4.
X, when x is 4, this equation is satisfied. So I write down 4, 4 square plus 4k minus 4 is equal to 0. Implies, don't fall to the other side of the fence. Huh? Okay, come. Implies.
This likes me.
Yeah, because if you don't follow the instruction, she is going to come behind you. So better follow the instruction.
What will
Substitute. No, whatever values you have substituted. Just solve it further. 4 square is
What is 4 square?
implies not equal to implies. Yeah, okay. Plus 4k minus 4 is equal to 0. Find the value of k. So Ananya, next one is yours. Huh? You'll do it? Good. So the equation D part, okay? Don't kick the camera. Is your answer right?
I hope so.
Hey, did you understand what he has written? You copy that first, then I'll give you some time to think about it. Okay. See and let check the answer at the back, please. Sid.
I'll give 4.
Okay. This for you. You rub and do the D part. Okay. Come on, come on. It won't do anything. You understood, right? Okay. Copy it and do the D part. Okay, but I'm going to rub this. That's the thing. Copy it. No, no problem. Take your time. I'll give you 5 minutes.
Correct.
Yes, good. Please come and sit here.
I'm so sorry.
People should tell this, man, not you. Ananya should say, Sid is smart.
She will never.
People have to acknowledge your smartness, not you yourself. Are you done with C? Copy C and are you done with B?
I'm starting.
What about B?
I'm starting.
Hey, come on, man. Right, do it quickly. B and C you copy. You done, Ananya? Okay, now you do try D. And tell me what is your plan of action.
I finished.
Okay, good. Start with C.
So they have given us the value of x into 5.
Same thing like this. Go ahead.
I'll solve that.
Okay, fine.
I got x is equal to 2. I mean k is equal to 2.
K is equal to 2. Okay. Two or three. Just check the answer. No, okay, D1. No, sorry. Check the
Minus 2.
minus 2, huh?
Yeah.
No, you got 2. Why? Check what mistake you did.
Question answer.
No, wait. So, what did he say? Sorry. 2 is the root, huh? Okay.
X is equal to 2. So that's 2.
6, 4. Correct. So, 8 minus 6. See, see. K is here, no? So, this becomes implies. Everything implies. Implies. 8 minus 6 is?
I got minus 2.
Wait. Implies? Yeah,
K is equal to minus
2 I take to the other side. Understood, no? So it's minus 2. Transpose to D, yeah? Okay, no need to solve. Okay, then E. Go ahead.
He will do it.
Yeah, he'll do it. Come, Sid.
How will we solve?
You tell me, what is the question?
There's no value of it. We should find the value.
Yeah, correct. No, so factorization method or see, you convert it into two factors and say A into B is 0, so A is 0 or B is 0. Yes or no? Got it?
No.
Can you just repeat the question? E, right? Can you dictate?
X square minus 7x equal to 0.
Okay, implies. Do you see anything common?
X minus 7.
Can you solve further? Zero product rule, A into B is 0.
No.
A into B is 0. So A has to be 0, B has to be 0. It is of the same form, x minus 10, x minus 15 is equal to 0. So x, either this is 0 or this is 0.
Both are not 0.
What do you mean?
Means this will also be 0, this will also be at the same time.
At the same time, they both cannot be, no? Either this is, one of them is 0 is sufficient. Both also can be 0, but in this case, it will not work. So what does it imply? So either x is equal to 0 or what can be 0?
X minus
Can be 0, yes. Now solve individually. X is 0 is done, finished. There is nothing further to solve. Sorry? No, wait. No, what I'm saying is, see, this is done. X is equal to 0 or x minus 7 or x minus 7 0. What is the value of x for that in that case? Correct. So what are the possible values of x for which this equation will be 0?
0 and 7.
Can you put 0 and see whether on the top? X is equal to 0. Just mentally calculate. 0 square minus 0, 0. 0 square minus 7 into 0 is 0 only.
Maybe minus 7.
No, 7 try, no, put 7.
Yes.
In case of 0, when x is 0,
Seven.
no, 0 square is
0.
minus 7 into 0.
Minus
7 into 0, anything number into 0.
0.
Exactly. 0 minus 0, 0. Done. Finished.
So 0.
0 and 7 are the two roots. Look at the answer. Yeah. Ananya, got it? Okay. So we have to move on to the next problem. Just copy this. And in 2, pick up one, whichever you want. Sorry, what?
30.
You pick one problem for her in second.
15.
2.1, 2.2, 2.3. 2 point?
2.
Okay. 2.2. Can you solve? Yes. For the next one, wait. Okay. 3.1, 3.2. Which one he should solve? 3.2, 2.2. Okay, guys, have you copied this? Done? Sid, have you copied? I know after some time you're going to reach into an agreement. I'll give you a simple one. You give me a simple one. When you are going right, you will discuss on the way. Give me a simple one. Don't give me a tough one. But my offer is once you go home, you have to solve whatever is not solved. So so 2.2, let me write it down for you. The question is whether the following equations are quadratic. What do you mean? How will you know whether the equation is quadratic or not? Sorry? No, it should be of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And a should not be equal to 0. If it is not, if a is not equal to 0, quadratic. That way it should be. Alright. So I'll write it down for you. I'll reduce your work because the problem looks a little lengthy here. X minus 4, 3x plus 1 is equal to 3x minus 1 x plus 2. Is this a quadratic equation? Now you must be thinking, what should I do? What should I do? You should open the brackets. Now the question is, what will happen when I open the brackets? I don't know to open the brackets properly. Are we done with this? Sid, have you copied? For that, let me ask you one simple thing. What about this? A plus B, C plus D. What will be the value of? See, what I'll do is, I'll do A, first term multiplied with everybody, plus B I take it, multiply with everybody. Can I do it this way?
Yes.
Now, what will this be?
CD plus BC.
Wait. You got this point? Sure? So second bracket, whatever is the first one I write, take the second, then whatever second plus, I write it here, second. Now, when you open it, AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Same. Okay. So I've already I've got you started already. Now it's time that you come and show Sid how you do it. Okay. Come. So do you want to do it?
No.
Okay, good. No, 3.2 is right. You know x into x?
Yes.
X square. X plus x is 2x. X into x is x square. You first write down. Okay.
I got a easy.
What is the easy way?
No, I got a easy.
Okay. Not for this problem, some other problem. See, typically A, first write down A. Write down the next term, then plus C, and then B plus D. Take.
Time.
Yeah. So yours would be the last problem, then we'll see. I'll do the 3 more problems. This one, yours, and I'll solve, and then remaining homework. Implies very good. No, not that way. There is no n only. See, first we add on x. Rub everything. X. Open the brackets. 3x plus 1. Close the bracket, minus 4. Again 3x plus 1. Yeah, that's it. Same thing there.
Uncle,
Yes.
what if these bees are a spy which are sent by China?
Baba, I'm not so important. Maybe they are sending it after you. Open the brackets now. 3x square, very good. Yes,
Let it minus 12x.
naturally. See, sign gets multiplied with sign and number with number. So minus, I can't see. No. So minus 4 into 1.
Minus 3.
Minus 4 into 1. See, you are multiplying minus 4 and there is 1 inside. Minus 4 into inside the bracket 1. Minus 4 into 1.
Into 4.
Minus 4. You remove the plus after 12. X. Yeah. Okay. Is equal to, continue. Plus 6x. 3x into 2, 6x. Okay. 1x can be written as x also. And minus 2 is okay. Not plus minus. Correct? No. Why are you writing plus? See, minus into plus is minus. 1 into 2 is 2. Done. So now what do you do next? Bring everything on the left hand side. Bring everything on the left hand side. So what will happen? Write down everything. See, write down whatever is there and then bring everything on the left hand side from the right, and then we will see what to do.
I put minus or plus sign.
Yeah, everything plus there becomes minus here, and minus becomes plus here. Transpose. No, even 3x square will become minus. No, correct? No, that there it is plus. So on this side, when it comes, it becomes minus. Minus 6x is fine. Plus x is fine. Minus 2 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0 because nothing is left on the right hand side except 0. Now, what you can cancel, you cancel. Wait. It is x plus x, right? It will become 2x. See properly.
I can see.
Yeah. No, tell me first before cancelling.
Blah blah.
2
Huh?
and 4.
Yeah, but minus 4 plus 2 will be
Minus 2.
correct. Do one thing. Bring all the powers together. 3x square.
3x square minus 3x square. You can cancel it.
Correct? No. 3. Yes or no? You tell me.
I'm so sorry.
3x square minus 3x square. Whatever the value is, it will be subtracted. So gone. Now x. Check all the x. Where do you see all the x? Okay, 1. Just underline it so that we also can see. Okay, 1, 2. When you add all of them, what will happen?
This will be not there.
This is 1, correct. 1 minus 12,
Minus
minus 11. Next, minus 11, minus 6,
5.
minus 11, minus 6. When it is both are negative, you keep, and you add both of them. So minus 17. Minus 17 plus 1,
Minus 16.
minus 16. Minus 17 plus 1. So when take this bigger sign and subtract 1 from the other. Minus 16. So minus 16. So we write down minus 16x. Okay. Add all the remaining numbers. What is the answer? Minus 4 plus 2.
-2.
Okay, minus 2.
Minus
Sorry?
minus into minus.
It is not into. There is no into. It is not multiplied. You just write down is equal to 0. You understood, right? There is no multiplication. It's just adding. Is this a quadratic equation? How?
And A is 16 also.
Are you sure? What is the equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. There is no x square only. So, not a quadratic equation. On comparing, write down, on comparing it with ax square with ax square bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 0. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. You understood this? Get ready for your turn, my friend. You understood, right? A cannot be 0. That's why this is not a quadratic equation. Okay, go. Copy this.
I'll copy it up.
No. Copy. Come.
Did Anshuman join?
We don't know here. Not so far. Copy. Ananya, copy. Okay. See, if this, Ananya, one important thing, what you can do is, if this is not very convenient, you can take first term with this, then this with this, then move this with this and this with this. Is that easy? Okay. So first term of this into first term of this, when you multiply, what will happen? It will be x, 3x. Correct? Now, I multiplied this with this, I'll just move ahead. Okay. Plus into plus, x into 1. Understood? Then minus into plus, minus. 4 into 3, 12x, that way. Then minus into plus, minus. 4 into 1, 4. You will straight away come somewhere over here. That way. The idea is to multiply everybody with everybody else. So from here, multiply with all others. Come on, Sid. Time for your show. Finished? Copy? Can you copy? Please, important. This is important. Got it? What do you think about 3.2? No, he is doing, but you should also have a thought process, no? Tell me. So, Sid, what is your opinion on the matter?
I should solve this.
Yes, but what is your opinion
That's my opinion.
on the problem?
You should just substitute.
Okay. You understood that? No, no. You read the problem first. 3.2. So after this, you will. What is the time now, guys? Do you know? It's okay. I'll figure it out. Don't worry.
50.
Yeah.
59. 51.
When you have two different signs, put them in bracket. -3 को bracket में डालो. Yeah.
You feel I went somewhere wrong.
Once again. See, this is right. See, what is the question? Can you read the question, Ananya, loudly?
Is x is equal to -3 a solution of the equation 2x square minus 7x?
So is that a solution? So when you substitute, if it is a solution, you will get 0. If it is not a solution, you will not get 0.
It won't.
Yeah, clearly, see, is not equal. See, the thing is, we don't know. We don't know so far whether this is equal to 0. We don't know. It equal to 0. We don't know. Clearly, it is not. Therefore, x is equal to 3 is not a solution. Can you check the answer? Yes. So it's not a solution. ठीक है, चलो. Write it down, guys. Did you copy this?
Yes.
Okay, good. Did you copy, Ananya? Can I rub this? Okay, so once you do, let's quickly recall what all things you have done. All right. Yeah. All right. Done? Guys, you copied?
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. So what did we learn? Can you tell me? Ananya, we'll start with you. What did we learn? Okay, quadratic equation. What is the form of quadratic equation?
A square of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
Where? Where? Something more is also there. Where A?
I can't do 0
Okay, and
LHS should be 0.
and
LHS should be 0.
no. See, A is not equal to 0 and A, B, C should be real numbers. Can you just check the definition? So Sid, what next? Tell me about the formula. Do you want to derive the formula here?
No.
Tell me the formula then. X is equal to? Okay. Tell me the formula. X is equal to?
Wait. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2.
Good. Now close the book and tell me the same.
X is equal to
Minus B.
minus b plus or minus 4ac.
I will only forget. It's okay. Tomorrow I'm going to ask you. Okay. So that's the one. And what about the nature of the roots? When would you get two positive roots or two equal roots or non-real roots? Ananya, the last part. Can you read the last part loudly for benefit of others?
Right? Which one?
Last part.
B and
If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0,
there are two real unequal roots.
two real roots, both unequal. Okay.
If b square
Minus 4ac is equal to 0, then
it's two real equal roots.
correct. You will have two roots, but they are equal because minus b plus minus 0 doesn't matter. Whatever is there, it will be minus b by 2a. Understood, right?
If b square minus 4ac is
Less than 0, we don't have real roots. Nodding head is enough. Okay. Tell me the banking formula quickly.
P into no.
mv is equal to
MB is equal to P into N plus P into N brackets N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100.
okay. Tell me something about trigonometry.
sin square plus cos square is equal to
Hey, theta here. Sin square theta.
sin square theta plus cos square
Uh-huh. Something more, two more.
of sin square theta is equal to 1 by cos theta or sin theta is equal to 1 by cos theta.
Cosec.
Oh,
Okay.
and then
Uh, uh,
tan square theta is equal to sin square theta by cos square theta.
okay, but even tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta will do. We don't have to square it as such. Yeah. Tell me the formula for the remaining two. Remember sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. There were two more along with that, identities.
1 plus tan square theta is equal to cos square
Sec square theta.
square theta and 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosec.
Okay. All right. And what about shares and dividends? You remember things? You remember the story?
Yes.
Tomorrow? Yeah, so tomorrow you're going to come and explain the shares and dividends.
I sense Muthu, not you. I sense Madhu somewhere within 1 kilometer.
Guys, it's recorded. All right, okay. So I think we'll conclude today's session. Okay. So what is the homework for the day?
We have a home.
No, you of course you have a homework. So 2 and 3, whatever is not done, you do. Sure.
Okay.
3, 4 problems only. All right. Good. Okay. I'll close down the session. Thank you so much, Anisha, for joining us. And we will see you in class tomorrow. Bye.
Come tomorrow.
No, she won't.